can really use on. But you can call me Kim. I am 19 years old from Philippines. Are you looking for a competent and friendly online English teacher? Well, I'm encouraging you to enroll in and book now in my class. I know English is not easy to learn, but I have many ways to make it easier, fun, and exciting. In my classes, we were going to build your reading, listening, and speaking skills. But wait, there's more. You will also learn grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and accent. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Book me now and hope to see you soon!